Losing weight felt like a big dream for me. I tried many diets before. Some were too hard, others made me miss my favorite foods. Then I found the flexitarian way of eating. It was a wonderful discovery. I started to eat more plants. I still enjoyed some meat sometimes. The weight started to come off. It felt almost easy. I was so happy. I had more energy than ever before. This change was not just about weight. It was about feeling great every single day. My personal success was truly exciting. I lost those stubborn pounds, but I gained so much more. I gained a new love for cooking. I explored tasty plant-based recipes. Meals became fun adventures. I did not feel like I was on a diet. It felt like a lifestyle upgrade. I was eating delicious food. I was feeling lighter and healthier. My skin looked better too. Friends started asking what my secret was. I was happy to share it with them. It felt good to inspire others. The key was delicious meals. These meals helped me lose weight quickly. Think of big salads with some grilled fish, or hearty lentil soups full of flavor. I made black bean burgers that were amazing. Pasta with lots of veggies and a little cheese was a treat. I never felt hungry. I never felt deprived. This was so different from other diets. The food was satisfying. The food was also helping my body. It was a win-win situation for me. This way of eating was so easy to follow. It did not have strict rules. It was all about balance. I focused on adding more good things, more fruits, more vegetables, more whole grains. I did not focus on taking things away. This mindset made a huge difference. It made the whole process enjoyable. I learned to listen to my body. I ate when I was hungry. I chose foods that made me feel good. This journey has been truly rewarding for me. So, what is this flexitarian diet? It is quite simple, really. The name says it all. It means flexible vegetarian. You eat mostly plant-based foods. Think fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. But you can still eat meat and dairy sometimes. There are no strict rules about how much. You decide what works for you. This makes it very easy to start. You do not have to give up your favorite foods completely. It is all about moderation and choice. This diet is gaining so much popularity. People are tired of difficult diets. They want something that fits their life. The flexitarian diet does just that. It is not about perfection. It is about making better choices most of the time. People love that they can still go out to eat. They can still enjoy family meals. The flexibility is a big reason for its success. Plus, more people are learning about plant power. They want the health benefits of plants. This diet offers a great way to get them. Traditional diets often have many drawbacks. They can be very restrictive. You might have to cut out whole food groups. This can be hard to stick to long term. Many people feel deprived on these diets. They miss their favorite foods. This can lead to cravings. Then, they might give up. The flexitarian approach is different. It is much more sustainable. You are not forbidden from eating anything. This makes it easier to follow for life. It becomes a natural way of eating. The flexitarian diet focuses on balance and variety. This is so important for good health. Balance means getting all the nutrients your body needs. You get protein from plants and sometimes meat. You get vitamins from colorful fruits and veggies. Variety means eating many different types of foods. This keeps meals interesting and fun. You will not get bored. You will discover new flavors and recipes. This makes healthy eating a joyful experience. It is a very sensible and enjoyable approach to food. It is easy to bring the flexitarian diet into your day. Start with small changes. Maybe try one meatless day a week. This is often called Meatless Monday, or you can reduce meat portions. Add more vegetables to your plate. Make plants the star of your meal. For breakfast, try oatmeal with berries, or have a smoothie packed with spinach. For lunch, a big salad or a veggie wrap is great. These small steps add up. They make a big difference over time. Here are some of my favorite quick meals. These helped me lose weight, and they taste amazing. A quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables is a favorite. Add some chickpeas for protein, or try a lentil shepherd's pie. It is hearty and so comforting. Zucchini noodles with a fresh tomato sauce are light. They are also very satisfying. Egg scrambles with lots of bell peppers and onions are good too. These meals are simple to make. They are full of nutrients. They will keep you feeling full and happy. Science really supports a plant-focused diet. Many studies show its benefits. Eating more plants can help with weight loss. Plant foods are often lower in calories. They are high in fiber. Fiber helps you feel full. This means you might eat less overall. Studies also link plant-based diets to better heart health. They can lower blood pressure. They can reduce cholesterol levels. This is great news for your body. It shows that eating this way is smart. More research points to other health perks. A flexitarian diet can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. It can also help manage blood sugar levels. The focus on whole, unprocessed foods is key. These foods provide steady energy. They do not cause big sugar spikes. The antioxidants in plants fight inflammation. This can protect your cells. So it is not just about weight. It is about long-term wellness. The evidence is strong. Eating more plants is good for you. I am not the only one who loves this diet. Many of my friends and family have tried it. They have seen great results too. My friend Sarah lost 15 pounds. She said it was the easiest diet she ever tried. She loved discovering new vegetarian recipes. My brother started eating flexitarian. His energy levels went up. He feels much lighter. He even started exercising more. These stories make me so happy. It shows that this way of eating works. It helps real people feel better. Their success stories often highlight the same things. They talk about the delicious food. They mention how easy it is to follow. They love that they do not feel restricted. One friend told me she cooks more now. She enjoys experimenting with spices and herbs. Her family eats more vegetables too. Even her kids like the new meals. It is wonderful to see these positive changes. It proves that healthy eating can be enjoyable. It can fit into any lifestyle. It is truly for everyone. Let's sum up the main benefits. The flexitarian diet can help with quick weight loss. It is a balanced and sustainable way to eat. You get lots of nutrients. You will enjoy a wide variety of delicious foods. It is good for your heart. It can lower your risk of chronic diseases. It is also better for the planet. Eating less meat reduces your environmental footprint. So many good reasons to try it. It is a kind way to treat your body. So, are you ready to try it? I really encourage you to explore flexitarian eating. Start slow if you like. Add more plant-based meals to your week. See how you feel. I think you will be pleasantly surprised. It could be a wonderful journey for you too. I would love to hear your thoughts. Please share your experiences. What are your favorite flexitarian meals? Let's support each other. Let's make healthy eating a joyful part of our lives. You can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weight loss journey.